Let's talk about the best products for high porosity, updated version. If your hair is color treated, relaxed, damaged, or if you naturally have high porosity like me, this is for you. I'm gonna help you with building a solid routine for the year. So grab your pen, notes, paper, save this, favorite it, and pay attention. First step in your wash day is a pre-poo, specifically if you have curly or coily hair. And this is gonna help you with detangling your hair before you shampoo to avoid the knots and breakage, because less breakage means what? More length retention. Always remember that. The African Pride Pre-poo went viral last year. It's amazing, creates amazing slip. I always buy it, and when I'm out, I buy it again. You can also do a flaxseed DIY or DIY aloe, and then add some oil to create that slip, and it will detangle the hell out of your hair. The girlies have been raving about the slip on the kinky curly one, and I kind of want to try it now. It's a leave-in conditioner, but amazing for detangling. So if you don't feel like doing a DIY, these two products will definitely get the job done. Next step is your clarifying shampoo. You want to clarify your hair perhaps once a month or when your hair really needs it. So when you have a lot of product buildup, your hair feels heavy, greasy, and you just want your scalp to be free and clean, that's when you use a clarifying shampoo. The Curlsmith is both a detox and a clarifying shampoo. And anytime I used it, my hair was squeaky clean. I'm currently using the Camille Rose Rosemary one. It has strengthening properties, so it clarifies and strengthens your hair. The Olaplex one is amazing if you're experiencing a lot of damage or if you have color treated hair, relaxed hair, and you just want to bring your curls back to life. The bonds in this will help with repairing your hair. 10 out of 10 clarifying shampoo. The Shea Moisture one is when you know you style your hair back to back to the point your scalp can't even breathe. This is a good clarifying shampoo for that, and it's affordable. Now, when you're using a clarifying shampoo, you always want to follow up with a moisturizing or hydrating shampoo. A hydrating shampoo like the Shea Moisture one helps with adding more water into the hair cuticle, and a moisturizing shampoo are made with more oils that help with creating more slip and making your hair more manageable, and they also help with sealing the moisture into your hair, which is amazing for high porosity that tends to lose moisture more quickly because of how open the cuticles are. The TGIN one has almond oil and coconut oil, so you'll know you'll get that slip. The one from Camille Rose is a moisturizing shampoo with hydrating properties, so it kind of works like both, but I also like it because it helps with scalp inflammation and things like that. And the As I Am one is from the Restore and Repair line, so this is amazing for strengthening your hair if you've been experiencing a lot of breakage. But yeah, these are some amazing moisturizing shampoos that you can add to your routine. Now the deep conditioner is my favorite part. After your shampoo, you want to follow up with a deep conditioner, and these are amazing options. I literally just ordered the Melanin HairCare one because she just got some really good ingredients in here. The hyaluronic acid, everything, like crack. And just looking at the ingredient list myself, I need that. I'm currently using the TGIN one. The slip is amazing. The Camille Rose one is also really good. And the Shea Moisture one, this is one of the first deep conditioners that I used to use when I was still learning my hair, and she loved it every single time. This is definitely one of the deep conditioners that made me look forward to wash day because of how manageable it made my hair. When I didn't know who to go to, Shea Moisture had my back. Now, if you are experiencing excessive breakage, or if you just have some damage or color treated hair, relaxed hair, you've been using a lot of heat, whatever the case is, these are the shampoos I want you to look for. The Olaplex one and the Amika one have bond builders, so these will actually penetrate your hair shaft and repair it from within. The Fenty Hair and the Shea Moisture one both have amazing ingredients for repair. They don't have bond builders, but they do have some protein, which is going to be amazing for strengthening your hair. And again, these are the shampoos you want to add in your routine if you want to bring some life back into your hair and keep your curls healthy. And if you're using these, I would definitely recommend to use the deep conditioner of that line, just so that they could work synergetically with repairing your hair. These are all amazing for repair. Again, both the Olaplex and the Amika one have bond builders. The Fenty one, I heard a lot of good reviews. I really want to try it strictly because of the smell. Like, as a natural hair girly, I always want my hair to smell good, especially if you're dating. Like, I'm gonna wake up next to my man with my hair smelling good. Hello. The Amika one also looks like it smells really good. But yeah, these are some good products just to have whenever you need to repair your hair or to maintain the health of your hair, especially again if you have color treated or relaxed hair. These are going to help you with maintaining the health of your hair. So if your goal is to repair, pick a nice shampoo and a deep conditioner that are going to be your go-to. Now let's talk about your layering method when it comes to your moisture routine. So as a high porosity, our main issue is losing moisture. So when it comes to protective styles, there's two ways you could go about this: the LCO method or the LOC method. Now I prefer the LCO method, which is leave-in cream and oil. And for the leave-in, you could use a liquid-based leave-in like a water, hair tea, or hairspray, or you could do a creamier type of leave-in, to help your hair be more manageable before you apply your cream or styling products. Now, if you want your hair to stay moisturized for longer, you want to stick to thicker oils like castor oil or avocado oil, because something like jojoba oil, the moisture will escape quickly, trust me. Now, there is the LOC method where you apply your oil before you apply your cream, but again, I prefer the LCO method because it just makes more sense to apply the water-based products and then the oil to seal everything in. Now, when styling your hair, again, you want to start off with your leave-in and then go in with your styling products. So for example, you could do leave-in, twist out cream, and gel, or you could do leave-in, twist out cream, and a mousse if you want your hair to dry quickly. And yeah, now let's go back to the products. Back when I dyed my hair and I didn't even know how to moisturize my hair or what to do with my hair, the second I started using this product, it's like life started making sense again. Still 10 out of 10 in my book. The girlies have been raving about the leave-in from Pattern, and from what I seen, that slip, I would like to try it for myself. Now, last year, Camille Rose had an event in Paris, and I was told that this entire coconut and water line is amazing for high porosity and for maximum hydration. They're going to be back this year and is definitely on my to-buy list. The leave-in from Maelle is also really good. And if your focus is repair, these are some amazing leave-ins that you could use if you have any damage, color-treated hair, again, need to bring your curls back to life. These all have bond builders and will definitely help you with getting the curls back. The Fenty one can be used both as a leave-in and a rinse out. The Amica one really targets split ends, and all 4 of these are amazing for color-treated hair. But yeah, again, amazing leave-ins and will help with repairing your hair and maintaining your curls. You could also make your own hair tea and use that as a leave-in, especially if you really want to grow your hair this year. I have a video on how I make my hair tea, especially the hair tea that grew my hair back thicker. It's all in my hair growth playlist, so check that out, as well as the updated one that I'm using to grow my bald spot. This will also be an example of a liquid leave-in or just a way to hydrate your hair frequently. These are some creams that you can use in your LTO method if you're doing a protective style. And the curl enhancing smoothie from Shea Moisture, I literally swear by it. As a high porosity, keeping your hair moisturized can be such a challenge, but when I use this product, it could be up to a week and my hair was still moisturized. This is an OG right here. The TGIN one is made with shea butter and coconut oil. Definitely will keep your hair moisturized. And the double buttercream from As I Am also has shea butter and castor oil. Amazing for protective styles. The Camille Rose one is also made with coconut oil. It has some aloe, which is amazing for hydration, and some horsetail. And horsetail is one of those dried herbs that help me with growing my hair back thicker. So we need to try that. Now, if you want more definition, these are some amazing styling creams that you could also use in your LCO method, or if you want to do a twist out, braid out, all of these are amazing. Some more styling creams for definition. And I kid you not, the Camille Rose one literally makes me smell like a vanilla ice cream. 10 out of 10. If you're focused on repairing your hair and you still want to style your hair, the Fenty one is also really good. And the Pattern Beauty one, if shipping was not about $50 to Europe, I would have had 2 of these and they would have been empty by now. But yeah, these are some really good options for curl definition and getting your twist outs popping. Here are some great styling gels for high porosity that could also help you get that definition. And if any low porosities are watching, these 2 are protein free. And here are some really good mousses for high porosity. And you can honestly use whatever mousse you want because it's your world and everyone else is living in it, literally. Get it? Because of how open our cuticles are. Okay, I'll stop. But yeah, the Pattern one is literally everyone's favorite. It's protein free, A1 for definition, smells good, feels good, everything, all that. The Camille Rose one gives you more of a softer hold. And because of the humectants in it, like yes, humectants are good for drawing in moisture, but too much humectants will definitely make your hair frizz up. But yeah, if you want a softer hold, Camille Rose. If you want more definition, the Mousse Def one, amazing. And the Aunt Jackie one is more on the affordable side, but definitely amazing for a quick braid out. But yeah, these are all amazing for high porosity. And again, if you want to do a quick braid out and don't want to wait hours or 2 days for your hair to dry, yeah, definitely go for a mousse when you're styling your hair. Now, for those of you who feel like you need more guidance or help with building a solid routine, I am offering one-on-one consultations where I can help you with creating a personalized hair care routine based on your hair's specific needs. This will be over Zoom, so you'll pick a day and a time. You'll answer a few questions about your hair type, your goals, what you're looking for, length retention, repair, or moisture retention. And I do ask that you list every single product that you're currently using so that we can analyze them, see what's working and what's not, and then create you a nice solid routine that you can work with for this year. But yeah, that's about it.